you're chilling on your couch and enjoying the latest episode of your favorite show. The next thing you know, the buffering wheel appears on your screen and causes a momentary delay in the video, leaving you frustrated. Does that ring any bells? If you're streaming geo-restricted content using a VPN, you wouldn't want to put up with annoying buffering issues. In this article, we'll go over reasons why your VPN speed may be suffering, and methods to make your VPN faster. Does a VPN slow down internet speed? One of a VPN's main purposes is to protect your traffic and send it through a VPN server. Due to the powerful encryption mechanisms used in the process, you're bound to experience a drop in your internet speed. Fortunately, there are simple methods you can do to reduce the impact and get the most out of your VPN service. Before you give our VPN speed boosting tips a try, please subscribe, like, comment, share and click the bell icon for a notification. Number 1. Restart your device. Sometimes, your phone or computer might be overburdened and thus obstruct the proper functioning of applications like VPNs. Therefore, turn your device off and on to give it a fresh start. It's another old-fashioned tip but could improve your VPN speed and let you get back to watching your content. Number 2. Change servers. Selecting a server that is geographically close to you will normally result in increased performance, due to lower latency. In addition, changing to a server in another location may bypass any congestion issues depending on how close the congestion is to your location. See our server status page for a list of locations where we have servers. Number 3. Change VPN port or protocol. Your VPN software connects to our servers on a specific port number, for example 443, using a specific protocol, UDP or TCP. Some networks restrict the speed of certain ports or protocols. Try changing the port, protocol until you identify the fastest combination. See how to change ports and protocols. Number 4. Install the latest device updates. Check if your device has available firmware updates. They might contain various fixes and improve the general performance and quality of the connection after installing it. Thanks very much for watching. We are anonymous, we are legion. We do not forgive, we do not forget. Keep expecting us just as we expect you. We are uniting humanity. Please subscribe, like, comment and share. Don't forget to request something if you want to be on our next video. However, we ensure your day was wonderful but kindly enjoy.